May profits be upon you. We're going to go over gold. We're going to go over gold. First of all, I want you to recognize something. I am bearish. All right. I am bearish as price continues on this daily time frame, continues to make lower lows, lower highs, all the way down. Boom. Right. I'm bearish. Period. End of that story. All right. We had a nice little consolidated period here where price shot up, had a breakout to the upside, then established another a period of consolidation. All right, some accumulation. Then we had some manipulation of the highs, and then distribution. Right, and we are now bearish. Okay. If we go down to the 4-hour, where we take care of business, why do I got that green eye here? The green eye is because I see green. I see green in our future. All right. I am looking at gold for a possible short. All right. As we see price, let me get over here. As we see price breaking these lows, right? Making lower lows, lower highs at these structural points, lows. We can thank you. We can see that price has created this trading range, right? This is a current trading range, top to bottom. And what do I like to do? I'd like to put the Fibonacci's on here. I'd like to, from top to bottom, and at the 50% mark, which is equilibrium, I'd like to divide this into an area of premium price and discount prices. All right, where do we want to take shorts from? We want to take shorts while it's in discount, in premium prices, excuse me. So what I want you to see is that we are well above the 50%, and we should be looking for some shorts in a bearish market. Does that make sense? Of course it does. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a price to come up into this zone of supply. All right, now, price has already entered into a higher time frame zone of supply. If you look at the daily, you'll see that here. This bearish bullish bearish pattern here has already been mitigated this one time here, and price is revisiting, mitigating it again with a deeper pullback into it. You know, we traded deeper into this higher time frame zone of supply. I've refined that zone to this area here on the 4-hour, which has not been mitigated yet. All right. Yes, price has traded into it. Yes, it has. But I'm waiting for this price to go away and come back. You understand? I want to see daylight in between the zones when it comes to mitigations. All right. Prices did trade back into it. All right. And I believe up in this area here, we may see price give us a push up, a pullback, a higher high, and then a break of that pullback low, and then a pullback into the for a return to impulse, so we can take a high probability trade to the downside. Now, if this doesn't set up, you don't take a trade. No confirmation, no trade. That's the way I work anyway. All right, just don't jump into it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't leave a pending on here. I'm not leaving a pending on here because gold could very well break that high. All right. I think this high is protected. And one of the reasons why I chose that high, because if you look on the weekly, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to use this horizontal line here. Right here. Right. Look across. How many times does price interact as support, as resistance? This one went into the zone. This defines this zone. All right. You can see it acted as support there, resistance here, resistance, support, support, support. It goes. This is a key level of support and resistance. All right. I'm not a support and resistance trader. This is just things you notice. All right. And I think we can expect some kind of reaction once price gets over there. It's as simple as that. All right. I like that. I like the fact that you've seen price has a history of having certain kinds of reactions at this point. All right. From here, we see price drop pretty precipitously. Here comes the pullback. After we break structure, what do you expect? After a break of structure, how many times do I say this in my videos? After a break of structure, what do you expect? A return to impulse, right? Price is returning to the impulsing order block. So that's why I'm expecting, I'm going to be looking for price to have this kind of bearish reaction. If we see bearish price action here, I think this would be a good time to look for a trade. That's why I got it green, because I see green in our future. All right, now be careful. This high here, that's where this setup becomes invalid. All right, this high. If we get a break and close above that high, then this setup is invalid. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was, concise and short enough for you. Tap that like button for me, would you please? Just smack it one time for your boy. And do make sure that you subscribe so you can catch my updates, because I'm always sending out updates. And make sure you leave a comment if you benefited from my my analysis last week. I'd like to hear about it this week. All right, leave me a message in the comment section. Okay. All right. Be patient with this. Do not just jump in. Be patient with it. Let it develop. Let it cook. All right. And wait till you see confirmations that price is committing to going back down this way. All right. See you in my next video. Thank you. Thank you very much for your support.